With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. If we talk about this question, this given question is in an oscillating pendulum, the space energy is maximum at extremes. And the given options are potential, the second is vibrational, the third is gravitational potential, and the last given option is kinetic. Now let me tell you that the total energy of an oscillating pendulum remains constant throughout its motion, and total energy is nothing but the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Okay, now suppose this is the oscillating pendulum, okay, and this is its extreme position, this is mean, and this is positive extreme. So it will oscillate. This is how this will oscillate. Okay, this is positive extreme position, this is negative extreme position, and this is the mean position. This is the mean position. Now as we know that before reaching positive extreme it have to move in this direction, after reaching positive extreme it have come down to mean position again. So basically it is changing its direction, and for changing direction the particle should come at rest for a certain moment of time. So velocity must be zero at extreme positions. Okay, now if velocity is zero, this is implying that half mv square, which is nothing but kinetic energy, and that should also be equals to zero. Now if kinetic energy is zero at extreme position, then the potential energy will be maximum as total energy remains constant. So the correct option is option 1, potential energy, and rest all options are incorrect. So this blank space will be filled by potential. I hope you understood. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.